Hi gorgeous! It is finally here. This is the first Boxycharm by Ipsy. I received it a few days ago, so I'm going to post my April's unboxing in May. What to do? You can choose the products for the Boxycharm Ipsy box on the very first days of each month, so the shipping is always delayed. The price for this box is $30. Basically it is $28 and $1.99 for handling and taxes. It is $30. In this box we have 5 full-size products. I chose 3 of them and Ipsy chose 2 of them, and basically I knew all of the products before opening the box, and I really miss the excitement element, the surprise. With the previous Boxycharm we could choose 1 product out of 5 and all the other 4 we had no idea what they were, and I really liked watching a lot of unboxings of the Boxycharms to see the different varieties of the products and guessing what I was gonna get. Now we lost all of that. They have kept the drop shop, but it was nothing like the previous drop shop by Boxycharm. The products were a lot more expensive. We didn't have any deals or bundles. Another thing that I didn't like with this whole new experience, Ipsy and Boxycharm, is the website. It is super difficult to navigate, to find the products. I couldn't find the products of the May box. Also, you no longer give reviews of the products, which I found very helpful. Now they're gone, so I'm missing a lot the old Boxycharm. Let's see how the box is. Discover yourself. Okay, thank you, I guess. We no longer have fancy wrapping paper. We have this shredded paper. And we also don't have a card with the prices and the products. This is a marketing leaflet for Ipsy to let you know about the subscriptions that they have. For the unboxing now, it is completely useless. Ipsy chose 2 skincare products for me. I'm not mad about that. Usually skincare products are super expensive, so I like getting them in subscription boxes. And I chose 3 makeup products. I wasn't very excited with the products that they have. So let's start with the first product. This one is by the brand Beaute, I think, New York. It is the Pear Serum Oil, and this was chosen by Ipsy. Oh, it says Salad Infused Beauty. Interesting. So with this one you can restore your skin's dewy, radiant glow with a brightening pear infused serum oil designed to deliver your skin maximum nutrients. We don't say no to that. Never, ever. Ooh, the packaging is super cute. It reminds me of the Huda Beauty perfumes, right? And it is so cute. Okay, we need to... Oops! Oh my god. Okay, just a sec. We started very well. So... Oh, I think it doesn't smell. It's very weird. For a serum oil, we don't have a dropper. How am I supposed to use this? Just... you know, the upside down method. Yeah, the packaging gets 1 star out of 5. I don't know. Oh no, I dropped it again. Oh my god, this is a very, very dangerous packaging. It has a light chemical scent. I don't know if it is a pear scent. It doesn't smell what I was expecting. The formula is very lightweight and fast absorbing. It's not sticky. It doesn't give any glow. Maybe I didn't apply a lot of product. I'm not sure how much I can get out of this one. Oh my god. The packaging is not convenient at all. This one is cruelty free. We have 20 milliliters and I need to find my phone. And also the prices for the products, since we don't have a card. The price of it is $65. 65! That's a lot. It doesn't sound bad, however, I don't like the packaging at all. I mean, it's cute, but not practical. So let's go now to the first product that I chose. So this one is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette, and I have the shade 4 Rosé. We have 6 eyeshadows as it seems, and Let's see the little palette. Whoop. Okay, we have the names of the eyeshadows on the back. Maybe this unpopular opinion for such a trending and popular brand. I was expecting something more luxurious and more elegant packaging. I think this is super basic. I'm not impressed at all. I hope the eyeshadows are working. This is what we want. We have 3 matte eyeshadows, 1 glittery, 2 shimmery. I have never tried Fenty Beauty eyeshadows, so I was very interested in testing them. I'm going to swatch the eyeshadows to see what we have. This is the first row. It's not disappointing. And let's go now to the second row. Ooh, whoa, that's super glittery, shimmery, glowy. I like it, you know. This is the second. It is super soft. And the last eyeshadow. This is also very shiny. Not bad. Even the lightest shade has nice pigmentation in the swatches. So I'm not very fond of the packaging, but the formula is nice. It's time to find the prices again. And this palette here is $30. Nice! And let's go now to the second product that I chose. This one is by the brand Beaute. It is a setting powder. So this one is cruelty free and we have a translucent powder. The packaging is very aesthetically pleasing. Not bad. And this is not a brand that I have used before. I think I have one more product by this brand from Boxycharm again, but it's not a brand that I see a lot in videos. I don't know about it. So we have here a shifter. I'm going to swatch it because I'm curious if it has a matte finish. It doesn't say anything on the packaging. Okay. And it is a pink. It is a pink powder. Let's swatch it. Oh, it gives a white cast. Oh, I'm not excited to use it on my face. Let's see how much it costs and how many grams do we have. Oops, did I close it? Oh no, I didn't close it. I almost made a boo-boo. Okay, so it says we have 4 grams of product and let's find again the price. So now I discovered that the name of the brand is not Beige Beauty, it is Basic Beauty. Who names their brand Basic Beauty? Who wants to be basic? Anyways, so this powder is $26, not a cheap powder. And it says on their website that this one gives a mattifying finish, also a soft effect. Up next, this is the second product that Ipsy chose for me. It is by the brand Tula Skincare, the So Smooth Resurfacing and Brightening Fruit Enzyme Mask. Okay, let's see the packaging. Oh, I was expecting something bougier because I have seen this brand a lot on social media. It is what it is. I'm going to clean my hand first and I want to swatch it. I'm super curious. Is this a leave-on mask? And you can use this 2 to 3 times per week and you leave it on your skin, on clean skin for 8 to 10 minutes, so it's not a leave-on mask. Oh, ooh, okay. Again, I was expecting something bougier. Oh, no, it smells like medicine. This is a full size and it is clean and effective, so most probably it is a clean beauty brand. Also, it is cruelty free. We have 50 grams of product. Let's find out the price. This retails for $36. Not cheap. And let's continue now with the third product that I was able to choose. This one is by the brand Liss Beauty. It is the No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. So I wanted to get this one because it is a little bit viral on TikTok. There is a TikToker, her name is Meredith, and it is the person that she's using a lot of foundation on her face, and she's using this bronzer lately, so I really wanted to try it. I have the shade No Limits Harmony, and it was very interesting. I couldn't choose my shade. In my beauty quiz I said what is my skin tone, they took it from there, and I couldn't change the shade. Ooh, what happened here? We lost the tip. It is stuck in the cup. I have one more product by this brand, and I don't like the packaging because it is very lightweight. It feels a little bit cheapish, and this is not a cheap product. It looks extra super creamy. I'm so curious. Ooh, it is. It blends very nicely. It's not very sticky and it becomes like a powder. Nice. I can't wait to use it on my face. I think it is very dark for me and it gives a glowy finish. Okay. It is cruelty free and vegan, also gluten free, and this one retails for $20. Let's see now how much all of the products cost. The overall value is $177, which is not bad. I have paid $30 for the box, also 20 euros for the forwarding service since I live in Germany. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna stay subscribed to this box because I'm not so happy with the whole experience. So let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this box. Also, which products you got. Do you like the products that I got? And you can watch next the unboxing of the last Boxycharm box here.